Are you considering dental implants? Let's explore what they are and the advantages they offer. Dental implants are structures that replace missing teeth, providing a natural and comfortable solution. The implant acts as an anchor for a custom-made artificial tooth, matching the color of your natural teeth and functioning just like them. The advantages of dental implants are numerous, including a higher success rate, improved chewing function, and better maintenance of bone at the site of the lost tooth. They also lead to a lower risk of cavities developing in nearby teeth and decreased sensitivity in those teeth. There are two types of dental implants, endosteel and subperiosteal. Endosteel implants are embedded in the jawbone and can hold one or more artificial teeth, while subperiosteal implants are affixed on top of the jawbone for those with less jawbone height. Dental implants may be right for you if you have one or more missing teeth, a jawbone that's reached full growth, and healthy oral tissues. If you're willing to commit several months to the process and don't smoke tobacco, dental implants could be the solution you're looking for.